Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to get free tier 1 traffic for affiliate marketing leads, and I'm going to use the example of a login ad with free advertising for you, but you can use there's about 9 different ways you can advertise in this platform. And with this method I'm going to teach you, it's once you set it up, it's about 98% automated. So it's not only free, and once you set it up, I'm going to do a little tutorial today, and I'm going to show you how to set it up. It just takes a few minutes, and it's beginner friendly. There'll be a link in the description to join free advertising for you. They give you $300 of ads when you set up your account. And with this method, I'll go through everything step by step. And if you watch the video all the way through to the end, I'm going to give you a free 7-figure earners affiliate marketing blueprint training that's going to teach you how to become successful online. So I'm in free advertising for you. And if you're not familiar with this platform, it gets about 40% tier 1 traffic, including buyers. It gets about 40% tier 2 traffic. So the traffic is good. And also it's been around now for about 5 years. And what I like about it is Jason, the owner, is also an affiliate marketer. So really it's a platform for people who are looking to make money online in affiliate marketing or MLM or within the make money online niche. And it lends itself towards that very much. So when you click the link in the description, all you do is you log into your account, and then what you're going to do is you come into here down this. Don't get overwhelmed by this huge menu, because Jason's got video tutorials that talk you through all of this. You're not gonna be using a lot of this anyway when you first start. But what you do is you go on to excuse me, you go on to 9 steps to success. And this teaches you the 9 steps. I'm not going to go through all of these because I've done a previous video on that. But what you do is when you scroll down, you scroll all the way down and you come down here. And this is how this method works. It's really simple and beginner friendly. And what you do is you sign up for the newsletter. And what Jason does, he sends you out a newsletter twice a week. Now, here's a newsletter that I got yesterday. So the newsletter comes out on Tuesday and Friday every week. You don't get bombarded with, it's not like a safe list. You don't get bombarded with loads of emails. It gives you some good information in here. He does draws and prizes, and he's really does some great stuff for his members. He's a really great owner of this site, Jason. I really like him. So what you do here, you'll see here, normally you get between 100 and 125,000 credits. You get about 800,000 credits a month that you can exchange for free traffic, and this can be autopilot traffic once you've set it up. Now, yesterday for the Black Friday deal, he's given 250,000 credits. So all you do is you go into the site, you go into the update in free advertising for you. Show you here. You go into the update, and it gives you a link in here where you can claim the promo code. So the next step is to go into the update, and there you claim the promo code in there. He talks you through it. It's really beginner friendly. And then you put the promo code into here, redeem promo code. You just copy and paste it into there, and then you get your points. Now you'll see here that I've got over 1 million credits. Now it says to buy ads. Now, the credits, you're not going to buy the ads. The credits are what you exchange for the ads. So it's free. It calls it free advertising for you for a reason, because it gives you lots of free advertising. You can surf the site for more credits. A lot of members do. You can surf the site to get up to a free pro upgrade, which I did. but every week he gives you 800,000 credits that you can exchange and advertise in 9 different ways. Now, I'm going to use the login ad today. I'm going to show you how to do this. So what you do is you can either use your credit straight away. I like to let mine build up, and then I buy some of the advertising that I prefer to use. I like the login ads, and I'll explain why I like those in a second. And if you go into, let me show you here. So now he's got video tutorials when you first join. He's got 9 steps to success. And he's got video tutorials on how to set each of these different adverts up. So don't get overwhelmed by all this information on here. All you do is follow his lead, watch his videos, and you'll soon learn how to do it. So I'm going to go into advertise your site, and I'm going to exchange now. I'm going to show you how I'm going to exchange these credits and get myself some free traffic, tier 1 traffic that includes buyers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the full page ad. Now, the reason I like the full page ad, some people call them login ads. I'll show you one here. Here's one here. So when members log in to free advertising for you, this is the sort of advert that they get for about 15 seconds. Some people call it a login ad. Some people call it a full page ad. But the reason I like these is because you're putting your lead capture page in front of action takers. So the members are logging in to free advertising for you. They're either logging in to surf for credits. They're either logging in to buy. They're either logging in to take some form of action. And that's why these login ads, because the mindset of someone who's logging in to a safe list mailer or a traffic exchange is that they're an action taker, and that's what you want. And it's also tier 1 traffic that includes buyers. So if you look at the 3 components there, action taker, tier 1 traffic, includes buyers, and that's why I really like these adverts. So that's what you would see, and that's where your advert would go and what it would look like. And then you see here on the top right, visit sponsor site. So your prospect can click on there and that will open in a new window, or they can continue to the members area on the left hand corner. They can visit your site there and that will open in a new window. But let's go back now and show you how we exchange these adverts for credits. Now, where's my page gone? All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go on to full page ads. I've done full page ads here. And then what you do is, you'll see here I've got over 1 million credits to buy ads. So I'm going to click on, you've got to really sort of look at it. I think this font could be a little bit bigger. You've got to really look closely and see where you're going to be exchanging here, but he tells you in the videos how to do it. So you click on buy ads, even though you're not buying ads, you're exchanging them. And then you come to this window. I'm going to go on to full page ads. And I'm going to, and then it tells you how many credits. So depending on how many credits you've accumulated, so maybe you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 digits there. I think I've got enough here for 2,500 views. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 6 digits there, 2,500 views. So I'll be able to get 5,000 views with my credits. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to go to purchase using credits. And then it says thank you for, so the next stage here is you trade in your credits. Thank you for purchasing a full page ad. I haven't purchased it, I've just exchanged my free credits that Jason's already given me. And then click here to set it up. And then he talks you through the process of setting up your advert. Okay, so you'll see that it gives you a bit of information here to make sure that your lead capture page loads correctly. It's going to be seen by your prospects. It's called the frame breaker test because some sites don't actually load Some people go onto a sales page, which we don't recommend. We recommend capturing leads. We're in the lead generation business. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go into one that I've previously added, which I think is Click Engine. Click Engine, I'm going to go into Click Engine. So these auto-populate. If you've previously added one, this will auto-populate, and I think that's my one there. I think I recognize that one there. So I've got a lead capture page that I use for promoting the Click Engine. So I'm going to click on Save. Now what this will do, it will test my lead capture page to make sure that it loads correctly. So you'll see here, if you can't see your site, you click on there, and then you verify your site. My site's loading correctly. My lead capture page is loading correctly. I've got a proof video here of all my Click Engine sales and commissions. I've got an email window here, so you'll see here I'm collecting email addresses with the lead capture page, and all I do is click on verify my site, and then that will take me back to the home page of free advertising for you. Now I've got another 500,000 credits left. So what I'm going to do after the end of this video, I'm going to go back into the full page ads again, the login ads, and I'm going to promote a second lead capture page, a different one. And I'm going to get 10,000 views. 10,000 views, totally for free. Hasn't cost me a penny, hasn't cost me a cent. It's totally for free, and it takes me a few minutes to set this up, and then it's automated, and then members log in, they're action takers, it's tier 1 traffic including buyers, and you're putting your offer in front of some really good prospects. So as a thank you for watching this video all the way through, I want to give you this free 7-figure earners affiliate marketing blueprint training. So all you do is click the link in the description, and it's a step-by-step video tutorials that will teach you how to make money online as an affiliate marketer. And it will teach you how to earn a growing monthly recurring income and also earn multiple income streams. So in the description, it will say free 7-figure earner blueprint training. Just click on that link. There's no opt-in. It'll just take you to a page like this, and then go through all the video tutorials, and then you can start to succeed. Very beginner friendly. If you're struggling to make any money, you haven't made your first dollar, or you're struggling to make consistent commissions online, then this training is going to help you. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. So I'd really appreciate that. That will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please click subscribe and the bell icon if you'd like to get notified of my future videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and there's now over 800 videos on the channel. If you've got any questions at all about free advertising for you or login ads, then I use the platform myself. So I've been a member now for I think about 18 months, and I really like the platform. So it's a great site, and Jason's a great owner. Then leave those questions in the comments. And if you've got, if you want to contact me direct through email, if you want to be mentored one-to-one by me, or you want some help, then my email address is in the description. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.